HotTech's hot convection cleaning helps restore optimal heat transfer in the convection section after years of service.
Over time, debris such as ceramic fiber, inorganic dust, and combustion byproducts accumulate and pack into finned and studded convection tubes. This debris is an effective insulator and hinders heat transfer used for steam generation and process preheating. In order to reach target temperatures, the furnace must be fired hotter, consuming extra fuel and compromising reliability.
HotTech can remove the fouling or debris online without any interruption or impact to production or environmental emissions.
Our engineering team will review drawings for existing viewports and determine the required number of access ports to maximize cleaning percentage.
We can create access ports online with HotTech's Hot Access Creation service
if necessary, and insert plugs. We then insert a lance with a proprietary blasting tip. Dry ice media is propelled through the lance and impacts the debris. The combination of abrasion and rapid sublimation and thermal expansion of the media efficiently dislodges the fouling, which is carried out in the flue gas. The hot convection cleaning process imparts no thermal shock or damage to the convection section tubes or delicate fins. Cleaning progresses port by port, starting at the upstream end and working to the downstream. As cleaning is completed in each port, the access plug is replaced. Without fouling acting as an insulator, heat transfer is restored, allowing for more efficient process preheat and steam generation.